In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Norton Antivirus on your laptop. Whether you're looking to temporarily turn off Norton for specific application installations or troubleshooting, it's an easy process that can be done in just a few steps. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access the Norton application on your laptop. Simply locate the Norton icon, which you can usually find on your desktop or in your system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on this icon and it should launch the application interface. If you can't find the icon, you can also search for Norton in your Start menu to open the program. Once the Norton application is open, look for the Security option. It's typically located on the main dashboard of the Norton interface. Clicking on Security will expand your options, providing you access to all the security settings Norton has for your device. Now, you should see a section titled Advanced Security. Click on this to reveal more detailed security features of the software. Advanced security settings give you more control over how Norton Antivirus protects your device, which is essential for the next steps. Within the Advanced Security menu, you need to find an option called Auto Protect. This is the main feature of Norton that constantly runs in the background to protect your laptop from potential threats like viruses, malware, and other online risks. Clicking this feature will bring up its individual settings. Here, you will see the toggle switch for Auto Protect. To disable Norton temporarily on your device, simply click to turn off this toggle. You'll usually get a prompt asking you to confirm that you want to disable this feature, along with options on how long you wish for it to remain disabled. Most versions of Norton will allow you to select options like Disable until system restart, or set a time limit such as 15 minutes or an hour. Choose the option that best suits your current needs. After selecting your desired time frame, ensure that the change was successful by checking the status of Auto Protect. The toggle should clearly indicate it's in the off position, and you might also see a notification confirming that real-time protection is currently disabled. Remember, while disabling antivirus software can help with troubleshooting or specific installations, it also increases vulnerability to potential threats. So, be sure to enable Norton again once you've finished whatever task required you to turn it off. And that's it. Simple and straightforward. Feel free to share any questions you might have in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and guides.